Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize monday.com for workflow management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the main workspace where you want to optimize your workflow. Review your current boards to identify which ones require optimization. Create a dedicated board for workflow management if one doesn't already exist. Define the primary objective of your workflow management system. Identify key processes or tasks that should be included in this board. Set up relevant columns to capture necessary data for each task, such as status, priority, due dates, and assignees. Use labels or status indicators to categorize tasks effectively. Arrange your tasks in a logical sequence, reflecting the workflow process. Integrate automation to streamline repetitive tasks and save time. Utilize templates available in monday.com that suit your workflow needs. Customize your views, such as Kanban or calendar, to visualize progress better. Leverage dashboards to gain insights into overall workflow performance. Invite team members to collaborate by sharing the board with them. Communicate expectations and use the comments section for ongoing discussions. Regularly review the workflow board for improvements or adjustments. Solicit feedback from team members to identify pain points in the process. Implement any suggestions and refine your system continuously. Stay informed about updates from monday.com to take advantage of new features. Keep training sessions for team members to ensure everyone is on the same page. Monitor the efficiency of your workflow management system over time. Make adjustments as necessary based on team performance and project outcomes. Aim for a balance between structure and flexibility in your workflow processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.